Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab Rizwan and I'm from class 8. So today I want to share with you the powerful and transformative journey of traveling, a road to self-discovery. Traveling is an incredible journey that not only takes us to new places but also help us to discover ourselves in the process. When we step out of our familiar surroundings and immerse ourselves with different cultures, we open ourselves with new experiences. As we navigate through new places, we meet new people who challenge our beliefs and inspire us and sometimes teach us something. While traveling, we do many challenges and adventures that increase our capabilities and increase our confidence level also. Lastly, traveling awakens a sense of realizing things and learning new things. By engaging to new people, we learn their tradition and gain their insights of living their lives. So let's embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery. So let's explore the world and embrace new cultures and learn new things and uncover the adventures, fun and new treasures.